I have dyslexia. With that comes a lot of learning difficulties. Starting university was very daunting for me. One of my close friends decided to take me to an open day. I won't lie, I was very overwhelmed with it all. Walked in thinking the worst and ended up getting a flyer for a Equip program, which basically was there to help people like myself enter into university with workshops to build skills and their confidence. Different people from different paths of life in the same room. There was no judgment.
The UniSC Equip program is a free government-funded program to help adults who might be thinking about doing some further study. Our program is really focused on supporting people who might have experienced disadvantage or who are generally underrepresented when it comes to higher education. We also offer individual consultations with people, and then we are able to match them up with information and resources to help them achieve their goals.
A week or two after my Equip workshop, I received a call from the facilitator. You can have family, friends and colleagues tell you that you can do something, but someone from a professional standpoint was the game changer.
Our Equip participants can dip into our support as often or as much as they like. So we have participants that might do one consultation with us and then they're set to go and sign up to study. For other people it might take a little bit longer. So we're here, I guess, for as long as people need it, and we can walk alongside them on that journey to study.
It wasn't until a month or so ago where I was sitting there looking at my grades and my friends are like, "Oh, do you realise that you're getting distinctions?" And I'm like, "What's a distinction?" What I deemed a barrier to stop me from studying isn't necessarily a barrier anymore.
Honestly, I love working in the Equip program. To see people, I guess, transform over time to being very fearful or, I guess, overwhelmed about thinking about studying, to feeling very confident and excited about their study options. It's very, very rewarding.
Anyone that is looking at doing their studies that isn't 100% sure, I would definitely suggest for them to sign up to an Equip program. At the end of the day, you are good enough, you are intelligent enough, you can do this. It's something that is life-changing.